Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. This thing is coming. Let's see. Let's close this order before I forget it. We're coming lower. That's okay. That's 25,300. That is the main level I was looking for. Might be he wants to come back lower first before going for higher things. We'll let it go and see. If we can grab, oh, I mean, if we reverse right now, I will take this long. That will be my hard stop loss and take profit. Handling some profit here for sure, and we'll look for some. If we reverse right now, I would be happy to take some longs. How are you, AOD? How's it been, man? How's it been? I'm so full, guys. I eat too much. I freaking eat too much. Gold sold off so much this morning. I took a little scalp on gold. I took a scalp this morning here, looking for longs. It did not work out. And then, yeah, I slept. Honestly, I slept better, to be honest. I slept better. What is it? I wanted to go. I want to go to gold. Yesterday was not my day. At least, no, yesterday was a crazy day, to be honest. It was a lot of things. It came and trading is a piece of crap. And then as well, because I do live stream it, and it makes it harder. And I do, you know, sometimes I think about what the heck I'm live streaming, and then I'm like, I enjoy it. I really enjoy it. It brings me joy to live stream and make YouTube videos. Even it makes it harder for the trading side. But this low has not been taken. I mean, we've taken so many lows in gold. We've taken these massive highs, all-time highs in gold, and from here to this one, that's where we pushed. We might even look for a quick trade to this downside, but something interesting has to come before me taking the trade. I'm gonna NQ just came lower. I'm looking to see what he wants to do here. What is because this loss here, I'm looking to maybe to grab in that direction to take a scalp around it. How are you guys? How are you, Nick? How are you, AOD? How is everyone there, guys? I bought a backpack, a new backpack. It will arrive today for my next trip to South America. So I'm excited for South America. But I'm even more excited for next year for Southeast Asia. So more content is coming on YouTube. You've seen that I've not posted for a long time right now, but content is coming back. Guys, we have to go back to MNQ. We have to go back to MNQ, guys, because this candle is flipping hard. This candle is flipping hard, guys. Yeah, I'm looking for, to be honest, I'm looking if I can grab a long here. That is the 1 hour reversal. Let me see if I'm not selecting the wrong level there. Yes, that's the hour reversal. Here. I will take the reversal of this 15 minutes as well. Especially, like you will, I will love it. I think we have like faking at this flag. If we come back here higher, I will take the long. I will give myself a stop loss anywhere we close lower, of course. And I will give it probably a hard stop loss somewhere here below this little support here. Yeah, that's the waiting is the hard part. Mizam Hussein, yeah, almost my same freaking surname. I'm gonna put the order there just to have it, because I'm liking this. If this 15 minutes candle reverse like that, I'm liking it. I'll give myself a hard stop loss here. and we'll look for at least a push above. At these highs will be nice. Let me put back to gold, as I'm interested in gold short if gold shorts forms. Right now we came. We didn't grab any lows. That's unlike we grabbed this low. A lot, but the main resistance to support is here 2500. I'm looking for this. Maybe it's too aggressive. Just looking at the higher time frames. I'm looking at 1 hour. It still has 22 minutes to close there. Let me see the 30 minutes candle. 30 minutes candle closed with, it closed nicely before. It opened, it wicked down. Running at one. Rejecting 25, 290 here. And it's looking, it's been rejecting a lot. So it would be nice. I mean, I didn't get long, luckily, but oh wow, gold is bouncing nicely there. We'll look for golds if he wants to stop bounce. Oh, okay. I'm honestly very interested for these long guys. Even better. You know what? Even better right now. Wait for these 5 minutes. If a 5 minutes close above, I would say I will wait for that. Thinking golden buy. I like the golden buy. I mean, what you see, what you take. I'm looking if I can get a short from it, but if it's bouncing very strongly, so if you see a long with your strategy, take it. Don't listen to me. If I was a millionaire making money from trading, I will tell you, listen to me. But even that will be not the right things to do. Guys, we're closing very nicely below the level. I mean, it looks like he wants to grab this low here right now. Rejected this 90 that Nick said. If you like for aggressive short and get out at anywhere above, that would be one way. But that is looking, yeah, it's looking, wants to tap these lows. I'm laughing because I'm playing with my colleague. I'm excited, guys. You're gonna see videos coming back in the YouTube channels about my traveling. It's gonna happen in very short time. Yeah, I see your. I like as it's the idea short is interesting. At least at this bot low here. But yeah, I mean, this is a nice fake out of this level on a way that many people will about thinking of like, okay, we're breaking it, this 290, 300 to go above, and right now it's coming lower. Wow, that's aggressive, very, very, very interesting. Coming lower, that's smooth as hell there. I'm looking at gold, by the way, as well. Wow, that's oh. I mean, if you open strategy is entry at the market open strategy, is the slippage too much? I mean, if you trade the first seconds of the market open, you will definitely get some slippage. You will definitely get some slippage. Depending on the day, it can be a soft slippage, but sometimes it can be a hard one. Yesterday was like 70 points in the first seconds. So 70 points in the first seconds, and you have a buy stop, you might get some slippage for sure, yes. So I would say, yeah, careful on that. I'm looking for okay, right now let's see let's see where to go. I mean, NQ, wow, NQ nicely selling there. Nicely selling there. Staying yeah, yeah, today gold crazy. I'm looking at gold, but I'm looking for like to be aggressive for a quick scalp to these lows here to be taken out. We come lower. It's true that we came a lot of low, but I'm like looking at aggressive way to take it lower. Closing right now in 45 seconds. That is interesting. I'm thinking about aggressively taking the short. I'm gonna remove myself at any closures below above this level. Hard stop loss above there. Take profit will be here. That's one micro contract in gold. I will wait for a little bit of a reverse like I did yesterday, because I think it's still a bit aggressive. I'm gonna wait for it. If it does not happen, I'm gonna be in peace with myself. But I want a quick reversal first. First, some little bit of a pullback, and I will be happy to take the short. I'm gonna go there for the short, guys. Hard stop loss is gonna be above $200, and TP we will aim for the lows. Gold flying, Nasdaq flying to the downside. Nasdaq flying to the downside, guys. Crazy. And what the heck is the next level on gold in NQ? We have space to go more lower in NQ. We definitely have. I'm short in gold. I'm short. I'm gonna have my hard stop loss here. Any closures above on the 5 minutes above this level, I'm out. I'm short right now in gold, looking for the lows, and I will manage it. I will manage it here around this 4,200 and 200 and 200, whatever. I will manage it. Hopefully we can get a quick grab low of that main level. Come on, market. Push down. Sell off. Make it to the lows. Bring us this candle to crash. Okay. Oh la la. Up to 100 ticks, crazy. As I'm one contract. I'm on one contract. This is already 120 ticks. One contract, man. Because I cannot put more, because if not, my hard stop loss will be crazy. So I'm like gonna handle it the best. Gonna aim for these lows, for these hour lows here. For these lows here, I'm gonna aim for them, like a little bit less, but that's the way. Thanks, man. Appreciate a lot. Moving my stop loss to break even. Yeah, I'm gonna flatten it there. Let's go. Let's do it. Let's freaking go, guys. That's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. W, that's the beautiful trade there. That's a beautiful trade. Today was nicely convincing, and we took it. Super answer. Thank you, everyone. Did you take it ready with your gold? Yes. Let's pick out. Especially we closed this below. Waited for this little bit retest this time. And took it. And it happened in no time. In no time it happened. That was beautiful. And only one macro contract made $200. One macro contract, $200, guys. Crazy. Let's go. Let's go freaking hell. Good job, guys, everyone. Good job there. We are doing amazing. Look at this gold. Still selling off. Gold today is insane. Is insanity. I've taken this scalp this morning and same things. Same concept. Literally the same concept. We came out, we faked out all these free bar candles here, and we were not taking this previous low. And I've taken it here for a short. I looked for, this case was the 15 minutes reversing candle, I believe, I remember. So the candle, the 15 minutes come back and closed and turned back. I entered short, was a beautiful trade here, fake out, stopped out some people. And this target again, only mistakes. I could have been like, come on, I took out too quick. 400 ticks, yes. Well, this is crazy. There's 1 minute candle here, and we had 400 ticks. It's crazy insanity. Crazy insanity. Thank you, Nick. Thank you. Thank you, Mohammed. So after yesterday emotional day, it's good to get a nice trade for. I mean, this morning was good as well, and this is right now it's beautiful. Let's check back to an MNQ. What's happening? Nice sell-off there. Nice sell-off. We were looking longs only for these, and we said it. Shorts below this 300 could have made sense. But yeah, no opportunity on our case. Even if this was a beautiful retest, fake out of this level, yeah, these weeks were insane. Gold made it more clear for me to look for the next target. Oh, look at that candles spiking like nothing. If we go to the 1 second chart, because that's usually what I show you guys, is if you go to the 1 second chart, if this lowers, look at that spike. This is 1 second candle in NQ, and it was 70 ticks, 17 points in 1 second candle. Here, people got huge slippage. People probably had their stop loss here, get stop loss here, and got filled here above. That's craziness. So the fact that we removed ourselves from NQ was a great choice today. until we were not above this 300. I would say freaking great trade. Gold is still holding the level lower. After we took out the highs, the all-time highs. Interesting. The only things that will make me interested to take any other trader today is seeing this NQ back above the 300. I would say. One great winning gold. Very, very happy. How is it for you? Nick, did you manage to see that, get the entry, or we're looking for something else? That, by the way, the short idea you had was right, but NQ is just ugly as hell. No trade setup. That's great. That's great. I like that. I like that. We have to be. It's the same as yesterday. Yesterday it was the same for me. Where I got emotional of missing a trade in gold, and I'm like, what the heck? I'm being emotional for what? Missing a trade. I can, and especially not for you. It's not even missing because there is no setup. For me, even yesterday was not even a setup. It was too much aggressive, and I'm freaked out. Push myself like an idiot, and that's the why trading is freaking hard. How many times an emotion comes to me and I have to be like, relax, Hamza, this is an emotion coming from this reason, don't take it serious, relax, move to the next. Yeah, just yesterday was the thing is that I started working and there was so much work. It was so much work yesterday. AWS servers yesterday were a pain in the ass for any freaking company that have AWS as a servers, and as well development side. Yeah, I was freaking. Last night I slept well, to be honest. I went to sleep early. You know what? I stayed on my phone on a Sunday night chatting. It's a problem I realized in the last period. I've been using too much my phone. Too much my phone, man. I spend too much time scrolling and doing bullshit things on my phone. I should really cut somewhere a lot of time around it, but like, don't go to sleep with your phone. Yes, freaking hell. That's a good competition. That's a healthy competition. It helps a lot. That's a healthy competition. Yes, and as well, there is as well in the Apple the time lock, and you have to always put a password to unlock it and to use it more. Yeah, look, I'm gonna check mine. I'm gonna check mine because it's crazy. What is it? Display and brightness? No. What the heck is the time consuming? What is it? In general? No. Camera, display, home screen? Nope. General? I don't know. You have to search screen. Home screen, screen time. Found it. So, oh yeah, okay. Daily average, almost 5 hours. What the heck? I mean, 5 hours of my day spent watching this shit? That's crazy. And sometimes I realize it, how like I'm out walking around and I'm like this with my head. And I'm like, I close it and I'm like, wow, my neck. And I've been like this for like 20 minutes. And I imagine myself how someone from outside is looking at me with someone like this. Two hours is a great goal. I think I should do the same right now. Yeah, it's there is the application of Apple to block you. App limits is called, yes. So you can put limits for the applications, and you have to the only way to unlock it, you have to put the password. So it's kind of a little bit mental there to be like, what the heck are you doing? I'm gonna do it now, right now. So I'm gonna put WhatsApp does not need to be in this application, in this limit. Edit list. Okay. WhatsApp, no, because it's just chatting. I don't spend time in it. Edit list. Then add. Okay. Now I have Instagram, YouTube, X, Messenger. I never use it anyway. So I'm gonna put it, and I'm gonna put for the moment 2 hours limit. It's if I put myself 2 hours in total, because it counts in total. 2 hours limit in total from all these applications cannot be more than 2 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. Back. Yeah, now it's set. Yes, that is a good point. My problem, one of other problem I have is when I wake up in the morning, the first things I do is take my phone and check it. So bad. The last things I do before going to sleep is take my phone and scroll. The fact of charging it away from your place, it's a great advice. Great advice. Hard to do, as psychological things I'm weak as hell, but I'm gonna work on that. So what we have right now, guys, there is not much. We're selling nicely. Gold, we've taken a major low here. Let's go to the 1 hour chart again to see what the heck is happening. There is no need right now to buy gold. We're really just selling strong. Main level here has been taken out, a lot of lows. Even this low was taken out. So I'm gonna stop looking at gold just because I don't think there is anything there. The only things right now for me here is MNQ, NQ has space to come lower as like within we freaking skyrocket. So we have kind of gaps here on a way, and the next support is definitely, the next low is here. The next support possible around 40. So we have some space there to come lower, but I will not take it blindly. Even if right now we're closing the 1 hour, we just closed the 1 hour there, and we close it very, very bearish. That's very bearish candle there on the 1 hour. So short can still go lower. It's a huge 1 hour bearish right now here on NQ. So the fact of coming to these lows and taking them here, it's good chance we're gonna break. Longer 240, good luck, my friend. But because we are really bearish, how personally I see, looks like we might go lower a little bit more. Hola, Bogdan. Portuguese. No, you're not. No, Bogdan is Portuguese. Yeah, Portuguese. No, Bogdan. Bogdan. Romania. Now I have it forever. Mohammed, I'm sorry, man, but look, if you took your setup, your trade, your strategy, it's great. Just remember that if there was your setup and you took it, We have a take profit and a stop loss. Stop loss, it will be hit sometimes forever anyway. Yeah, I should have thought about that. Like Bogdan, it's more Eastern, but you know, we're getting very international right now. So a Bogdan can live in Portugal. We, you know, we have a Muhammad, and maybe Muhammad is English. We have so many English people here, but none of them has English name. They are all Arabic names. Yeah, falling knife. I'm breaking right now this previous hour. Honestly, this the fact of taking quick the short in the hour, it's aggressive. But yeah, there is not that much. We have these kind of level here. I mean, we already had it that level, but wow. Yeah, falling knife. I believe we still have space to go down. It's true. It's true. But somehow for me, Nick, I always think you're American. You're from USA. I do believe I thought you were from USA. Where are you from? You said wait, you said somewhere in the south of UK or south. Where in UK? Near London. Where in south? Okay, that was something. Where near London? Where? I know UK too good. No, I've been in Bristol. I've been too many times in London. Hertfordshire. The only things I remember about UK as well is the freaking train are shit and freaking expensive. And I'm like, what the heck? I remember I was at Bristol. I was like, how the heck am I paying? This was like many years ago. We're speaking about 9-10 years ago. I was paying like £10 for like a freaking 10 minutes ride. And I was like, what the heck is this shit? Longer 227. Good luck, my friend. But yeah, I do remember that about UK. Romania. I want to go to Romania, man. Everyone speak good, honestly, about Bucharest, right? Never been. So many countries to visit. I never been in Eastern Europe. I never been in Rome, and I grew up in Italy. I never been in Florence. Never been in Naples. But I've been in Paraguay. I've been in Colombia. I've been in Southeast Asia. So you've been in Rome. I've not been. And now I'm going back to Paraguay. But I'm going to the new countries coming is Brazil. Bergamo, because you flew with Ryanair, Ryanair out. Venice, I guess. Venice is one of the city. Venice is one of the city that everyone should visit. It's the only city, I believe, offers a different experience than any historical European city. You know, you can go to Paris, Rome. You have historical things, and it's beautiful. Each one has their history. But then when you go to Venice, you have history, but you have a freaking city on the water. Things gets delivered by boat. Rethink it. Good luck. Take your time. Follow your strategy. Follow your setup. Don't overtrade. If you see that you've reached your limits of trades or whatever rules you applied, then it's a good time to call it and accept it and move on. So right now, guys, the size I'm taking is smaller than, because for example here, the size I took was 1 micro contract, right? I mean, freaking hell, it was 1 micro contract because it was MGC. No, not this one. Sorry, what the heck? I was like, how the heck? It was not that little. It was 215. If I go to 2 micro contract, I could have been aggressive and be like, you know what? max loss is $430, like hard stop loss. Anywhere closing above on this 5-minute chart, I will call myself out. So it would be like $200, $150, whatever, $300 loss. Good scenario, we're looking at a $400 profit here. That could have been done, but I'm really taking myself step by step of learning the strategy, getting better, getting comfortable. Because I still need time to get comfortable to something new. I'm very happy of taking my profit here. So that's pretty good. But yeah, I need some times. Right now we're bouncing, so here at 97, previous low in gold, trying to retest that area. I don't think gold is interesting for me right now. I'm gonna leave it there. But let's move back to freaking MNQ. Because gold for me is not interesting anymore. Daily wig. Let's go to the daily chart. Daily, I like how you call it daily wig. Wig or wick? Wig. Wig. How nicely how we took the previous highs here in pre-market. I don't, to be honest, I should note myself about that. So we've taken the previous highs as well in NQ. So that's very interesting information to have. We still have not filled the gap, by the way, right? Yeah, we still did not fill yet the gap lower here. Massive gap. Where the heck is the gap? It does not show it here. Where is the gap? Yeah, it's somewhere here, the gap. Because we open here strong, but I think it closed somewhere lower. I don't know why the candle shows it closed here. Charts is AMSA chart, it's 180. Oh, here. This one, this high here. Okay, I see your point. I mean, to be honest, I'm looking at it. There is not that much for me to do anymore. The only things, yeah, not even. Probably we will be done soon, to be honest. I'm just looking at the chart and be like, okay, is there anything we can take here? Five minutes is definitely downtrending, 100%. 15 minutes chart. Would be nice to see this 15-minute chart closing, coming back above, and you know, coming back above weekly's high and coming back lower. And then I might look for shorts. If not, I don't think I will take any trade. Welcome everybody, guys. Welcome to the new people, to the old people, to anyone that is coming today. Yeah, for example, in gold, where I was like thinking, where should I mean, there wasn't a clear target for me in gold. Right now, if I have to short anything in, I mean, 2 more minutes we have. Let's see how this candle closes, but yeah, having a target for me is getting more crucial as well. Having a target and having as well an idea of, well, I will manage this trade. The fact, if let's say for example a short here and my target is here lower, that's an example, then I will start managing it if it breaks here, because if this is a fake out and comes back to me, then I will be cooked. I'm thinking. But happy at least with the day. 2 more minutes and this candle closes. The same with the sorry, same with the, my god, I'm not able to speak. Same with the 50 minutes candle. That would be a nice closure. We'll see if it wants to do something more interesting. It would be nice if it wants to come back here above, grab this 50 minutes high, and if we then close below this area, might be for a very quick trade, but only for that. If not, I'm happy with my $5,000. I just want a better entry, so the voltage is lower. High low, the risk is by that win numbers. Yeah, I mean, waiting for confirmation gives higher win rate, probably less risk reward. And yeah, oh wow, we're really nicely pushing right now there. Nicely pushing there. Let me show this level as well in this chart. That's the level I have from the hour chart. But definitely harder for me to take something like that. Okay, 1 second, and now we're closing this candle. Not always worth estimating, as your stop loss will be higher, so can be tighter. If you risk 10 to make 50, it's better than risking 40 to make 120. If you risk 10 to make 50, it's better than risking 40 to make 120. I mean, risk reward wise, yes. I don't know why my brain, it was hard to calculate that things. I don't know, my brain made it so hard to say yes, 10 is better, 10 on 50 is better than 40 120. Did we take the? Oh no, the previous 15 is here. I wanna sleep more. I wanna sleep more. Yeah, so the reason. What are you looking there, guys, right now to take? I'm looking. Okay, we've taken the previous 15 right now. Are we gonna reverse on it? Wow. Okay, market. Squeezing some stop loss. Ooh, squeeze me there. Okay. Tell me more about what you want to do right now. Okay. What do you want to do? Do. Right now, let's looking. I took a long on my CVD account, Bogdan. Which CVD brokers you use? This is just my curiosity. Which CVD brokers you use? There are so many CVD brokers around the world with some crazy margin, provide a crazy margin. I was using once TD 365. It was the broker of Tom Ogward. Tom Ogward. Fund Pro and Quantikill. Fund Pro series. Okay. Quantikill no. 282 take profit. Good luck, my friend. If we break really nicely above that resistance, wow, that can be interesting for you for sure there. But quant are cheap. I'm trying to them. We shall see. How? Wait. How they are cheap? You mean like commission fee on buy and selling? If not, how the heck? Oh. Ah, but you mean as a prop firm? Both of them are prop firms. Ah, so you're trading CFD in prop firms. Ah. Ah, okay. $340 from 100K? Wow, okay. But do you have to pay for activation fee if you get funded? 340 is still a lot. Because we have a lot of competition right now in prop firms world. Apex, Topstep, Tradify, My Funded Futures. Oh, you don't pay for activation fee. Okay, but still, $340. But wait, are you kind of straight to funded? Like if you reach certain amounts, you request, or you have to reach a balance and then the account gets reset and you can get paid. 280 there. Congratulations, Muhammad, for taking his beautiful longs there. I was not an easy long to take, to be honest. So kudos to you. Okay, you can buy an instant funded accounts. Okay, so it's prop firms. Wow, that's very interesting, to be honest. This NQ freaking skyrocket, guys. Okay, right? These longs do not look anymore that bad. Longs anywhere above 300, but even right now, if we are holding this level, longs to retest this level, and the longs more above. Wow, 3-step challenge, no way I will never do something like that. Because 2 3-step challenge, guys, they were there 2 years ago, 1 year and a half ago. I remember as well with topstep, you had two steps challenge. With the Apex, you had 15 days to pass an evaluations. But then, thanks to the competitions, many prop firms had to like adapt and be like, we cannot offer any more 2 steps. We cannot offer any more 15 days to pass. Too much competition. But wow, 3 steps, and after 3 steps I don't get paid. I'm gonna destroy a monitor against someone. Yeah, these 15 minutes is not gonna close. Today you're right. Tomorrow might not be the case, and if tomorrow is not the case, you just better accept it and move on. And after this beautiful sentence of and beautiful wisdom from Amsa the King, nothing in gold is continue selling off, guys. I will see you and say goodbye. See you on Discord. And for the rest, beautiful test of this of this previous lows. I'm gonna remove the level, and as well I'm gonna remove this level. And for the rest, love you all, guys. Have a beautiful day. You did amazing, all of you. Take care. And it was a beautiful day, emotionally speaking and everything. So it was a good day to have on a Tuesday. Let's continue like that, and tomorrow we are back in it. See you guys. Have a beautiful day.